We have a 2015 Ford Explorer, or Expedition I should say. When we turn the fan on, we're not getting any air out of the vents. The blower does not turn on. Usually what they're going to do is have you go out and you're going to buy a resistor, a blower motor resistor. This one here was at AutoZone, and you can replace this blower resistor motor sensor that looks like this, and it's just located up underneath your dash here. But what we found with ours is as you reach down underneath here, you're gonna find this little pin right here. So you see there's the connector goes into right here into that resistor. So if you disconnect yours, so the push on this little tab right there, and then you can remove that connector. Now what we found when we went to remove this sensor and replace the sensor right here underneath the glove box, or behind the glove box, we found that when we moved the wiring harness, it started to blow. So we knew that it was just a bad connection. So what we did is we took a little push pin and pushed it up inside each one of these little connectors there, just like that, and just closed the gap on the connectors so that they would connect better. And then we reattached it just like so. And now that it's been reattached, so now you probably hear the air. So for our situation, we didn't have to replace any parts or anything. It was a quick, easy fix. It was for free, and all we did was make sure that that had a good connection to it, and then it started working again. No replacing the parts. Hope that works out for you, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks.